Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made an easy bed skirt for our queen size bed. We live in a pretty small apartment with minimal storage space, so we store a lot of stuff under our bed, but it doesn't take much to make it look messy. This is such an easy project and it beats paying $50 or more for a bed skirt. I made mine out of an old sheet that I already had. My first step was to take off our mattress to take some measurements of the box spring. Another space-saving tip is to store spare bed sheets and blankets under the mattress at the foot of the bed. These are my measurements for this project. Our bed is on risers, so my pieces are very wide. You'll need 2 pieces 82 inches by 22 inches, 1 piece 62 by 22, and 2 corner pieces 22 by 22. Measure and cut out all the pieces. Iron out each piece and press the seams. I'm using a 3/8 of an inch seam allowance on all of the raw edges. Now to pin all the pieces in place. I even had a little supervisor for this part. I ended up using an old fitted sheet to place over top of the box spring to help hold the skirt in place and also to cover up the pins. And here's the finished product, a very simple bed skirt that will help hide any items under the bed. If you liked this video, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up and a comment, and if you'd like to see more projects like this, hit the subscribe button. Bye for now!